Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin from FC Tucker. Welcome to my video open house on jeffsells.com. Today we're looking at a fabulous new construction ranch house at 751 Holland Drive. Let's take a look. The barbecue deck is a great added feature. There's access to the third car stall garage. It's tandem with the two-car opening. But you have access to the kitchen, plus this screen patio that gives you this wonderful view of this quarter acre that is backing up to the green space. So you have this expansive green and you don't have to maintain all of it. This modern farmhouse has a beautiful two-story entry, has a split bedroom plan. There are two beautiful bedrooms here. You have a half bath. Then there are two full baths. Visual comfort lighting, M-Tech hardware, and wide plank oak flooring continues throughout the entire home. I love the clean lines and the modern finishes of this traditional home that has one big open entertaining space. It's great for gatherings, it's great for family, and it's wonderful for holidays. This great expansive cathedral ceiling is wonderful for this modern fireplace, the wide plank pine flooring, and this home has a barbecue deck that is covered, and it's perfect for entertaining even if the weather doesn't cooperate. The design of this ranch house is perfect for those looking for an alternative to a condominium. It's a great place to downsize without giving up the quality features that you want. There's a beautiful spa bath as well. Thanks for taking this video open house of this sophisticated ranch home in Holland Fields. If you have any questions, there's more information available on jeffsells.com or reach me at 812-360-5333. I'm Jeff Franklin.